Let's take a view of how International Hindu School is. A place where learning is collaborative, inclusive, open, and innovative that allows children to think beyond the sets of walls. This is in our ethos at International Hindu School, where we try and excel at everything that we do regularly, be it academic or co-curricular activities. We at IHS have a comprehensive online infrastructure for the effective remote learning of our students. We are using digital tools such as Microsoft Teams, and all such digital platforms have been able to deliver effective online lessons based on active learning approaches. All the facilities that IHS provides on online platform are English Club, e-library, unit tests and examinations, e-coaching, parent-teacher meeting, virtual science lab, entrepreneurship training, music and dance classes, yoga and meditation sessions, cognitive exchange programs for class 6th, 7th and 8th from Los Angeles, science experiments in future Einstein Lab, innovative activities, morning assembly, result declaration, quality control on online classes, online competitions and debate, elocution, declamation, online Lima Varanasi City Exchange programs. Honorable Director IHS from Lima, USA conducts sessions every Sunday on Instagram on very important and relevant issues like snoring, insomnia, constipation, etc. His recent session was on sleep apnea, which was watched and appreciated one. He also writes a column in Lima News, Ask a Doctor. IHS infuses the children with the spirit of camaraderie, competitiveness, and cohesion right at the grassroots level through the house system, Ashoka, Raman, Swami Vivekanand, and Tagore House. Various workshops, competitions, and co-curricular activities are organized by the school on regular basis, including annual science exhibition in which interesting projects are exhibited to encourage the future geniuses, contests, debates, and competitions like fancy dress, poster making, Rangoli, and many more, small stage plays, and festivals, etc. Children of different institutions gather together and deliver elocution in different languages like English, Hindi, Sanskrit, Bengali, Punjabi, and Urdu, etc. This enhances the culture of our country. National festivals and other important days like Raksha Bandhan, Deepavali, Dussehra, Janmashtami, Christmas, Independence Day, and Republic Day are celebrated with great enthusiasm and pride. Students are encouraged to embrace different culture and traditions. Gardening and tree plantations are also encouraged to increase their will to do good things and give them the patience to wait for the fruit that their hard work deserves. Last year in 2019, more than 3,500 plants were distributed and planted by the institution. International Yoga Day is celebrated at grandeur, to which a popular yoga guru is invited to the campus to hold a proper yoga and meditation session. He teaches different asanas to students, parents, guardians, teachers, management, and other invitees. Importance of yoga is highlighted for maintaining a healthy body. 71 English Club is also run online by IHS to improve and polish the language of students for all classes. During winters, picnics and education excursions are organized for the entire school. Also provide medical facility to every child, holding medical camp annually. Entrepreneurship training is provided to all the students
so that they could become sharp entrepreneurs at tender age. Year after year, students of IHS have created records in CBSE board and in the major competitive examinations, bagging the top ranks. We also have provision of scholarship for meritorious students in the senior section. Annual function, annual fete, and annual sports day are the highlights of IHS, as are celebrated with great zest and zeal that provides the school with an opportunity to showcase the students' and school's achievements.